Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today in this video we are discussing IBPS has released a notification for clerk as well as for the officer scale 1, that is for the clerk and manager, for the different RRBs, that is regional rural banks, that is located in the different villages throughout our India in different states, right? More than 10,000 vacancies they have given, right? So it may increase in the future also. So all the details I will explain in this video. What is the advertisement, what is the exam pattern, how we have to prepare, we will do that separate video, but we will discuss the notification in this video. So let's begin. Please, before going to start, please subscribe our channel Civil with Sudhir for more information about any type of central or state government jobs. So when you want to visit the when you want to look the notification, please you have to visit the website www.ibps.in, right? www.ibps.in, and you can see on the screen of the IBPS, at the home screen only you can see the notification bar, right? Kindly wait, I will show you. Yes, you can see here. Click here to apply online for CRP RRB. Okay, you can apply by clicking here. If you want to see the notification, you have to click here, right? So it will open and we will discuss the notification here. Okay, so this is a notification they have given. 1 minute. Okay. So IBPS will conduct the exam for all the bank exams. Okay, for all the bank exam, right? The IBPS will conduct the exam, right? And the exam pattern we will discuss in the upcoming video only. So this is a common recruitment process for the recruitment of how many scale 1, 2 and 3 and office assistant. That is a multi-purpose. Office assistant means that is the clerk job in the RRB, regional rural bank, like in our Karnataka Krishna Gramin Bank and other banks, those are located in villages, different villages, right? So those, for those they have released a notification for throughout the India. Okay, now if you want to visit any query, you have to visit this website to get the more news about this. Now, so online application are invited for officer scale 1, 2 and 3 and group B also. Important one, um, first of all, very important one is that uh, participating RRB is nothing but how many RRBs are participating in 1 minute. How many RRBs are participating in this notification means from different states there are the different RRBs that are there. Okay, you can see for Andhra Pradesh present head office they have given the Telangana and here very important point, you must know the local language of the state. Okay, we have different state, Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, right? Gujarat, you must know the local language. There is an exam after your the examination, that is prelims and mains. You have to give the local language test also. That is very important. If you are applying from the Andhra, you must know Telugu. For all the different states they have given the local language, right? You can see there are many of jobs there, right? For Karnataka, you can see Karnataka Gramin Bank, right? So Kannada should be must and should. You should know, you should speak, write, and you can talk the Kannada, right? So these all are the participating what banks. You can see these are the participating bank. This is important. If you want, please visit the website and you can go through the notification. But important one, nationality, you know. Yes, this is very important. Age as on 1/6/2021 for officer scale 3. See, for scale 3, scale 2 and scale 1 and office assistant, they have the different what post. For the different post they have given the different was age relaxation as well as the age restrictions. For scale 3, 21 to 40 years. For scale 3, how much? Sorry. For scale 3, 21 to 40 years. right? That is from the 1981 to 2000. And officer scale 2 manager 21 to 32 years. Okay, and for the officer scale 1, that is 18 to 30 years, right? 18 to 30 years. For office assistant, that is the clerk, right? This one is the clerk, so that should be 18 to 28 years. If you are in between this one, you can apply easily. So there is an age relaxation for SC/ST 5 years, for OBC 3 years, and other person with disability 10 years, right? Ex servicemen also they have given. Next is very important, that is wait, okay, these are not important. If you want, you can economically weaker section. If you want to know what are the criteria, you can see here they have given the criteria for the economically weaker section. Now this one, what is the education qualification for all the post? For office assistant multipurpose, you must completed bachelor degree in any discipline from recognized university. Proficiency in local language as prescribed by the participating RRBs is very very important. You must know the local language of that state. If you are from Karnataka, you can apply for from Telangana also, but you must know the local language. You must read, write, and speak. Then you will get the that job where you want in the Telangana state, right? So working knowledge of computer is very essential, right? So experience is not required here also. Officer scale 1 experience is not required. If you completed bachelor of engineer bachelor of any degree, you can eligible for this post. Okay, next, officer scale 2 general banking officer or manager, 2 years of experience is required. If you are already in bank employee, then you can apply for this one. Now they have given the some percentage also, 50% marks you required, right? Officer scale 2, that is a specialist officer, they have given for the IT officer 1 year in relevant field. You required what? 1 year experience. Desirable certificates you required, ASP, C++, Java, all these you required. If you are chartered accountant, you required 1 year chartered accountant experience. If you are law officer, if you are a law officer, you required a 2 years. 2 years of what? 2 years of advocate should have worked as a law officer in banks or financial institution. Then you can apply. Treasurer manager, right? 1 year experience required. Marketing officer or agriculture officers also they have given for specialist officer. But if you are if you are a fresher, you can apply for these two, office assistant and officer scale 1. Okay, my dear friends and students. Now this one is for the senior manager. Don't worry about this one. We'll go to the next important point. That is, okay, I will erase this one. For your easy understanding, I have wrote application fee is very important. Okay, one minute. Application fee is for officer scale 1, 850 for all others, right? 175 for SC, ST and PWD. And for the clerk post also same, 850, right? Now very very important, if you are from any engineering background, right? I will write here. If you are from engineering background, or if you are from BSc, or if you are from arts background, or any background, if you have completed the degree, right? So what is the exam pattern, right? There is always, remember, there is a two exams, one preliminary exam, right, and another one is mains exam, right? So for a preliminary exam, office assistant, right, for the clerk you must know reasoning and numerical ability, right? 40 question of reasoning, 40 question of numerical ability, total how much? 80 marks. How much time they have given? Only 45 minutes. There is a very very big competition, right? Big competition because time is very less. Coming to our KPSC, they have given 2 hours to solve 100 questions, right? So they will give sufficient time there. But here they will not give any sufficient time for you. They will only give you limited time, that is 45 minutes. In 45 minutes, you have to answer the 80 questions. This is for the both for the clerk as well as for the officer scale 1. The only difference is the what the level of question is different. Clerk they will give level little bit easy, and for the officer scale one they will give little bit somehow tough or difficult level. Okay, this is about the prelims exam, preliminary examination. Next is mains examination, right? After clearing your what preliminary exam, you have to clear mains exam objective. In mains exam, what are the different subject? Reasoning, you have to write computer knowledge, general awareness, that it includes what banking awareness as well as English language, Hindi language. You have to select any one, right? Either you have to select English or Hindi. There may be a choice for you, and numerical ability. So total question in mains is 200, maximum marks is also 200, and only they will give 2 hours. Very big competition from all the candidates, because 4 to 5 years, from 4 to 5 years, so many lakhs of students are what they are trying to get in the jobs, right? So they will give very tough competition for the freshers also. So you can easily get, but you have to do hard work. You have to do hard work, and you must have some consistency for the study. Okay, this is for the officer scale one. You can see the same. Okay, important one, that is I have discussed already, prelims and mains. Now list of various test medium of examination, right? You can write the, you can select the language. This is the select the language of the exam. You can select the language of exam. If you are from Andhra, you can select what? English. You can select English, Hindi, Telugu, right? If you are from Arunachal, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Haryana, right? You can check the language they have given already. If you are from Karnataka, right? So they have given English, Hindi, Kannada, and Konkani, right? So all the 28 states they have given the in which languages you can write the exam. Single level exam for the officer scale 2. Officer scale 2, if anyone, please let me discuss in separate video, right? This is for the specialist cadre. Next is penalty for the wrong answers. Always remember there is a penalty. Very very tough exam, I think, and this is penalty will be there. Always remember how many marks penalty will be there. You can, for each question wrong answer has been given, candidate for 1/4 of the marks assigned to the question will be deducted. 1/4, right? 1/4 will be deducted. And coming to the cutoff score, I will make separate video, because I will not merge all in the this video only. You can see there is a lot of difference every year. Score obtained in the online examination, prelims and mains. See, if you clear prelims, they will not consider that one for the selection process. Only mains exam marks will be selected, or mains exam marks will be considered for selection for the interview. Clerk, there is no interview, direct selection. Or if you are applying for the officer scale one, then there will be a prelims, mains, and the interview exams. Okay, this is the point they are telling here. Examination center you can select from any state, right? You can write anywhere where you are residing. Pre-examination training. Okay. Pre-examination training to be arranged by the RRBs, right? Pre-examination training also they will give. Interview applicable for the post of officer scale 1 and 2. Okay, so there is an interview for officer scale 1, 2, and 3 only. If you are from office assistant, there will be no interview. So these are the documents you require. How to apply, we will do separate video, don't worry. Only I am telling you the notification and their number of posts I will discuss. Verification is not important. These are the some instructions they have given. How to apply you can get by, you can visit the here. You can, I will show you. Okay, yes, you can visit here for www.ipps.in. right? You can visit here and you can apply from this link. You can see there is a link they have given directly here. Okay. Okay. Next one is this one we have completed already. The fees mode of payment also I have discussed. You can apply and online, and you can apply pay the payment through any card. Okay, important one. I'm just searching. Wait, call letters. These are all not important. Yes, this is important. Okay, dates when the notification already came. Right, registration include edit modification application by the candidate. 8/6 to 28/6 already it started, right? Already it started past 2 days only. So payment of application fee, intimation charges also. This is the last date. Download of pre-examination training and conduct of pre-exam training. Download of call letters, and this one is important for you. When is the exam? That is a prelims exam. It is in the August. Now June is going on, so July, August. So you have 2 months for the preparation. You can easily prepare. Result of online examination they have already given September. Download of call letter online examination mains, that is in September. Result will be declared October, and October November there will be a interview, and in the January 2022 there is a joining. Okay, so this is the always they will follow these tentative dates also, right? The RRBs will be follow these dates only. Now, yes, this is important. Vacancies of the different RRBs. Vacancies. Now you can see if you are applying from any state, for example, Andhra, right? NR means not reported. Okay, one minute, I will write here. Not reported. NR means not reported. Not reported. There is so many banks they are not reported. Then also there is a 10,000 vacancy. 10K vacancy always already there. If they reported, it will go more than 50%. The vacancies will be increased. I think it will be more than 20K at the final while giving the selection. That is the final selection. Okay, you can see Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, all the different banks they have given. For example, Karnataka. Karnataka Gramin Bank, Karnataka Vikasa Gramin Bank, they have not reported. NR means not reported. In the future, they will report. While joining, they will give direct number of vacancies, how many number of vacancies there. This is common because in banking sector, they will not report at while giving the notification. Right? They will give at the final selection process. Don't worry, they will definitely they will increase. 100% they will increase. Okay, so total officer scale to also separate there, and officer this is for officer assistant and officer scale 1, right? In officer scale 1 also they have not reported so many banks, right? These are the different banks with the officer marketing officer. So total they have given, how many posts they have given total including all, right? So if you want you can see, 1 minute. Okay, so NR means not reported. Now they have given the this much of vacancy. Now examination center. What is the examination center? For Andhra, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, you can write from any RRB. But if you are applying from Andhra, right, you are residing in Arunachal Pradesh, right, then you have to go through you have to visit the Andhra only to give the exam, or you have to go there only to write the exam. That is a very important point. You can't write the exam in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, this is very important. Remember, in Karnataka, Bangalore, Belgaum, Bidar, Davangere, Dharwad, Gulbarga, Hubli, Mandya, Mangalore, Mysore, Shivamogga, Udupi. These are the exam centers. You can select. If you have any type of doubt, right, so please comment me in the comment box so that I will make another video how to prepare for this RRB. How to prepare. We have a madam, right? We have a Priyanka madam in our YouTube channel. Madam is very good in banking, so she will discuss with you how to prepare for the RRB exam with the best strategy in limited time for freshers, right? So Madam Priyanka Madam will be discuss with you, all of you. Okay, if you want, please comment in the comment box. Right. Next important point, I think I have completed all the important point. These are some self declaration as well as some certificates. If you want, you can see all of these, right? If you want this notification PDF, please click on the description box. I have given the link. You can download from the description box also. Please comment, like and share this video to get more videos like in the future. And I will make separate video for the cutoff also. Okay, if you want cutoff video, please comment me in the comment box so that I will make for you. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video.